Assalamu alaikum. I know many of us are specifically waiting for tonight's 27th night, right? Yeah, to play smart and do a lot of ibadah. But Allah Ta'ala is smarter. That is the wisdom behind hiding LAYLATUL QADR. Yes, there is almost unanimity regarding 27th night being the night of power, the night of LAYLATUL QADR. But let me ask the question again. Which 27th night? Is it your country's 27th night, or Russia, or Saudi Arabia's 27th night, or the Europeans? Because the time zone differs, right? Your own 27th night might be somebody else's 27th morning or afternoon or evening. You see the paradox there, right? So if I were you, if you want to get the ajr, the blessing of LAYLATUL QADR, stay up the whole night and the whole day. Book the whole 24 hours for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so you won't miss out. Yeah, so the best prayer inshallah for this night, or for this whole 27th, is what Prophet ﷺ taught us. Allahumma innaka afuwun tuhibbul afwa fa'fu anni wa fa'fu anna. Oh Allah, you pardon and you love those who pardon others. You love pardoning. Oh Allah, pardon me. Oh Allah, forgive me. The difference between pardoning and forgiveness is when Allah Ta'ala pardons a servant, He does not just forgive the servant, but He will erase the sin from the book of accountability. So the servant comes in the day of resurrection, the sin is not even mentioned. Unlike if it was just forgiveness, the sin will still be there, but it's already forgiven. So ask Allah Ta'ala for pardoning is the best prayer tonight. But one most important thing, don't forget to ask Allah Ta'ala. Personalize your ask from Allah. Ask Allah Ta'ala in your own language. Allah Ta'ala speak all languages. Don't restrict your dua to only Arabic. Ask everything and anything. Allah Ta'ala is ready to accept and provide and accept your dua and provide you with what you want. And don't despair, be patient. Ask Allah Ta'ala for yourself, for your parents, for your friends, everybody. May Allah Ta'ala accept your dua, my dua, and all our dua. May Allah Ta'ala forgive our debt. May Allah Ta'ala grant to Jannatul Firdaus. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum.